Hey, what's up, anchor holders? So, what's my prediction to in upcoming days? They moving up or they fails down? What's the new target of anchor? And what's my opinion to hold, sell, or buy? Everything in this video about anchor is going very special. But first of all, if you can see here, the crypto market and the fast days very badly fails down. But this time they change occur and positive. So therefore, I'm very happy. I'm very excited. Congratulations, everyone. To today, the crypto market starting moving up. My friend, anchor as very badly falls down also in the same time. Oh, this is very important. This is very important for every anchor holder to watch this video before he is in the loss. Exactly. So let's start the prediction of anchor coin. Please subscribe our YouTube channel before I get started. If you are new, my brother, my friend, my lovely friend, I guide you freely. Every time I guide you free. Every time you personally message me on Instagram, everywhere you message me, Facebook. The links is all available in my Facebook and my channel. Okay, you visit on my channel and check out all links. Okay, everything available for you at this channel. Give you very latest updates of all cryptocurrencies. So kindly subscribe, click the red button, and also like this video. My friend, if you can see here, I already draw a chart. This time the last 24 hours, my friend, they change occur and minus 0.57% falls down. Very bad change occur, my friend, in the last 24 hours. And you can see here this time the latest price is 0.15959 at US dollar, and our target is 0.5 US dollar. It's mean the half US dollar. So the half US dollar they hit it when they take like this jump, exactly like this jump. My friend, this is the circulation of every type of currency. To after a fail, they take a high jump, and after a jump, they fails down again. But this time they're moving up. They are going in the moon. I don't know which time they're starting fails down again. They're starting dumping, but which time they're moving up, then exactly they are going in the moon, my friend. But this time I think the last 1 hour they fails down, my friend. So my prediction is that they moving up in those days, exactly they're moving up in upcoming days. But let's see the last 1 hour. I think they fails down because I already show you, my friends, they fails down. If you can see here, my friends, they also fails down, and this time you can see here, and after this falls they take again jump. So this is the circulation. You can see here, this is the circulation moving up, my friend. So if we note this point, if they're moving like this circulation exactly, they going up in upcoming days, my friends. They're going up. So kindly, please, my opinion is to please hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time. I hope they give you very good profit in upcoming days, especially for the end of this month. You can see here they're starting also change occur plus 0.14% change occur, very positive, very good, my friend. And I hope they can hit it a half US dollar just at this month. Absolutely, they hit it, my friend. So anchor is moving up in upcoming days. Please subscribe our YouTube channel for latest news and updates. And I guide you, my friend. I guide you. The target as half US dollar. I hope they hit it. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe this channel for more this type videos.